So, winter ball's coming up.
Well, thank you for reminding us.
Matthew, are you asking somebody out?
What's the point?
Well, the point is to finally ask her out instead of staring at her.
You know, I'm actually staring at my work that I should be doing. Unlike you, slacker.
Okay, guys, let's calm down a bit. You know, there's no point throwing our lives away just for a different grade, okay?
Okay, everybody stop talking. Stop talking, listen. Okay. Oh, come in. Where have you been?
Oh, sorry, miss. I was in the bathroom.
Oh, okay, sit down. Okay, can you please turn to page 67, please? Okay, settle down, settle down. Okay, we're going to read the quote on page 67, please. Matthew, can you please read the quote?
I swear to thee by Cupid's strongest bow, by his best arrow with the golden head, by the simplicity of Venus's doves, by that which knitteth souls and prospers loves, and by that which fire burned the Carthage queen. When the Miss, what does this even mean?
Swear to thee by Cupid's strongest bow, by his best arrow with the golden head. What do you think it means?
That he got hit by an arrow?
That he got hit by an arrow. And what could that mean? Could it mean like, is he really hit by an arrow? You don't know?
No.
How are you ever going to be? How are you ever going to win your girl if you don't know what that means? You know, it's very important to understand this, especially when it comes to love. So go home. Your homework for the weekend is to look that up and find out what it means. Okay? Yes. Now don't roll your eyes at me. It's going to really help you. Okay? All right? It's going to really help you do a good job. Okay. All right. So my next question is to Deja. Deja, what does it mean by I know a bank where the wild thyme blows, where ox lips and the nodding violet grows. In. Okay, everybody, let's pack up. Let's leave. Matthew, don't forget your homework. Hey, you two at the back. The lesson's over. It's finished. Okay. See you later. Have a lovely day.
Bye, miss. Have a nice day.
Bye. Bye.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You said that like 4 times.
I think I might ask her out.
What happened to Mr. What's the point?
I don't know.
Doesn't matter. She's not going to say yes to you anyway.
What the heck, man? You don't know that.
What? She wasn't gonna say yes to me neither. Am I wrong?
No, but you gotta let the man dream, you know?
What does it mean? What does it mean?
Guys, we are going to look into how to integrate by parts today. Alright, take out your textbook, page 193, question 1A. Question 1A, you are required to find what is the U in the equation.
Man, I've tried everything, man.
You haven't tried everything yet.
You still got a chance. Just keep it up.
Haven't tried everything. You still got a chance.
Hey, Arabella.
Sorry, what?
Michael, perfect. I was gonna ask your permission if I could ask Arabella to Winter Bowl.
How much is it worth to you?
It would mean the world to me.
You have a wallet?
Hey, Arabella, I think you're really, really cool, and I've been wanting to ask you for a long time, but will you go to Winter Ball with me?
Seriously?
Well, I give up.
Hey Arabella, I was thinking, do you want to go to Winter Ball with me?
Oh, Alina, I'm so sorry, but I actually really wanted to go with Matthew.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
okay. Excuse me, bruh.
You're excused. I'm not your bruh.
Oh, you want to fight?
Oh yeah, let's fight.
Why were you even fighting me, bro?
Because I wanted to go with Arabella.
But she rejected me.
Really? Arabella, I swear to thee by my Cupid's strongest bow, by his best arrow with the golden head, by the simplicity of Venus's doves, by that which knitteth souls and prosperous loves, and by that fire which burneth the Carter's queen, when the false Trojan under sail is seen.
Huh? Anyway, do you want to go to Winter Ball with me?
Yes!
Wait, no, I can't.
Okay, go.
Go.
Trust me, I've tried.
No.
When the false Trojan under sail is seen, by all the vows that ever man hath broke. It's really long.
No, actually, can
Videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I made it home! I made it home!
I was there too. Buy the Winter Bowl tickets.